Hello, my name is Nick Fry, Product Manager of Electronics at PDQ. Today we'll be going over adding a device into the Spirit app.
To begin, tap Add New Device, then select Add. Select Smart Lock. You will then be prompted to add a new location for the lock. Create the location by utilizing location services or enter this information in manually. The app will begin to search for the nearest lock via Bluetooth. If near multiple locks, a list of locks will appear with the associated serial numbers. Choose the lock you want to add. The app will begin to connect to the smart lock securely. Then a prompt will appear to enter a 6-digit device code. This can be found on the inside of the battery cover or gasketing of the lock. Enter the 6-digit device code. After some time, the lock will be configurable, giving an opportunity to name the device, add it to a group, or a different location. Once named, select Add Lock. The app will begin to search for any software updates that might be necessary. If an update is required, select Update Now and allow the app and lock to finish the update process. Do not power off the lock or the app during this time frame or the connection may be lost. Once the lock is updated, it will restart. Congratulations, the PDQ Spirit Lock has been added to the Spirit app.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about our Spirit series, visit our website at www.pdqlocks.com.